Come Oblique. All right. Great start.
Commute, commute, relax, easy. Yes, mute. All right, easy mute.
And seven. Why? No! Jesus Christ, I don't even know what to do anymore. Hey Trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel. Trackies, I'm not gonna lie, it feels as though my voice is about to go. I've been screaming and jumping for joy for our Jamaicans, our men in the men's 100 meters in Budapest. Trackies. They all qualified and made it through to the next round. But I'm not gonna lie, Oblique Seville took the whole thing. Now, before I get to Oblique's race, though, I want to talk about it heat by heat and, of course, talk about our Jamaicans. So, coming up in heat one was Ryan Ford Trackies, and he placed second in this heat to Great Britain's Darnell Hughes. Now, Darnell Hughes won running 10 seconds flat, and Ryan Ford was second running 10.01 seconds. Also qualifying from this heat from Nigeria was Seyi. He ran 10.07 seconds, and also two non-automatic qualifiers came from this heat as well. We have from Poland Kopek and also from Iran Taftian. They also qualified running 10.11 and 10.17 respectively. Now, as it relates to how this race went, Darnell Hughes, got his typical Darnell Hughes start, but he really has a phenomenal top end, and he was able to run back, to take the win. However, Ryan Ford was very impressive, got a phenomenal start, and of course cruised home, to take that second place. So I'm looking forward to seeing, our guys head out into the semifinals and perform well there. Can't wait to see Ryan Ford take up his lane in the semifinals. Now, not to talk too long about, the second heat, but we had Noah Lyles come up there, and he automatically qualified, as well as Ferdinand Omenyala, and of course from Nigeria, Etsikiri. Now, Noah ran 9.95. Omenyala ran 9.97, and the athlete from Nigeria ran 10.17. Now, Chakis, I'm not gonna lie, Noah seemed to have to work a bit because he usually gets his Noah start, but still he qualified, and that's all that matters. You'll be able to navigate the next round once you get there. But great going so far for the Top Guns. Now moving on to Heat 3. Qualifying out of this from the Netherlands was Boujou. He ran 10.09. Now from Great Britain was Amodadzi. He ran 10.10. And from Liberia was Emmanuel Matadi. He also qualified running 10.13 seconds. Now, unfortunately, the American Craven Charleston was not able to make it through. And we did hear that, he was suffering from an injury, because of the whole relay camp. And as such, this does not come as a surprise. However, it's still, tough for him not to make it through. Now, in Heat 4, we had Letsili Toboga here taking it. He ran 10.11 seconds to take it. Then we had Rohan Browning from Australia. He ran 10.11 as well, just separated by the thousandths of a second. And from Great Britain, we had Reese Prescott also qualifying. He ran 10.14. Now, Letsili, he, similar to Noah, has a similar running style as well, interestingly, because, they're both going head to head in that 200, but that's a different story. Now, he, to me, looked the same way Noah looked, had to, pretty much run back, but he was still able to secure the win. And again, all you have to do is navigate each round as it comes, and he did so successfully. So let's see what happens in the next round for him. This is the racetrack is that took the cake that had me breaking everything around me. Oblique Seville came up in this racetrack and he ran 9.86 to equal his personal best track is looking easy, smooth, like butter. I could not believe Tracky's tears came to my eyes. I was so excited. But yes, Oblique Seville took that first place, and again 9.86. In second place was Fred Kerley, 9.99. And of course from Sweden was Henrik Larsson. He ran 10.1 10.16 seconds. Now, going in trackies, I thought Fred Kerley would take this from Oblique because I'm not going to lie, I wasn't really impressed with what I saw from Oblique's last run. But listen, he has silenced the doubters. He has silenced us, and he looks like he's ready to do something phenomenal here. And I can't wait to see what he does, of course, in the semifinals and next the finals. Now, moving on from Oblique Seville, we have our last Jamaican here, Rohan Watson. He came up. Good run from him. He placed second, but taking the win from Japan was Abdul Hakim Sani Brown. He ran 10.07 seconds, a season's best, to take the win. Now, Rohan Watson, as I said, placed second. He ran 10.11 seconds to qualify. And Marcel Lamont Jacobs, he ran 10.15 seconds, a season's best as well, to qualify. Now, Brendan Rodney from Canada also qualified with a non-automatic automatic qualifying time, 10.106. Now, Rohan Watson, to me, executed a good race. Now it's left to see, what he will do, in the semifinals and here on. But in my opinion, I'm thinking he's doing just enough in each round, to progress. So let's see what happens. But definitely the person, in my opinion, that took this entire heat would definitely be, Oblique Seville. He looks the most impressive, and of course, I'm excited. Now the last heat, who made it through? Akani Simbine took this one from Christian Coleman, but Christian Coleman did ease down, I have to admit. So he would have taken it. He looks impressive. But Akani Simbine ran 9.97 to take it. Christian Coleman ran 9.98. And also making it through was Hiroki Yanagita. He ran 10.20, and making it through as well is Emmanuel Archibald, 10.20. Now, this was a dead heat for Yanagita and Archibald, so they were not able to separate them. As such, two of them make it into the semifinals. Anyway, trackies, that is it. That's the latest, from the men's 100 meters here. Jamaica is performing well. I'm excited to see what we'll be able to do in the rounds, hereafter. One step at a time, trackies. We've, successfully progressed from the heats. Next up is the semifinals. Tell me, what are your thoughts? What was your immediate reaction to the Jamaicans in each race? I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comment section. And what about Oblique Seville? Did he silence y'all like he silenced me? Trackies, I'm not gonna lie. When I saw him winking at the camera, I said, "Look here, he's winking at me. He's ready." He is ready, Trackies. I am so excited and so over the moon to see this type of progress from Oblique Seville. I was, yes, indeed worried, and he definitely looks like he's turning up as favorite as well. You know what I mean? But I'm not going to jump the gun. I'm just going to send good energy to all our athletes, and I can't wait to see what they do in the other rounds. Have faith in them as well. Support them along the way. But yes, trackies, sound off in the comment section and let me know your thoughts. Jamaica, we're here. We've arrived, trackies, and we're doing damage. We're here to collect medals. We're not here to play around with nobody. You understand what I'm saying? Like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.